finally dug up a picture of a younger Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo from da Vinci. And so here's a picture of Leonardo, the Renaissance man. The Renaissance man, this is the guy they put forth as the leader of the Renaissance, the beginner of the Renaissance. This is a smart guy, and we're not teaching history here, but as far as the water shoes go, and we have to be somewhat thankful, and we have to be somewhat thankful. At least with if Leonardo wouldn't have copied these water shoes, then we wouldn't have even known that the things existed. So we do want to give credit to the sketches he did of some of the Chinese works, you know, and all of that and things like that. And here's a artistic remake, and this is some of my artistic work, and you have to excuse it. I got some color crayon on there, but you can see basically the water shoes. And we talked before about these pig skins, on the feet, and you can see how that's working. And we do want to say now this is not to proportion, and it's a drawing, it's a sketch, and it's not necessary to proportion. And Leonardo probably you know he's copying this out of a book, or it's assumed that he's copying this out of a book. Ming's, the guy that did 1434, he's saying he's copying this out of a book. We found some of the books, and in some of our later presentations we'll probably be showing you some of the books that Leonardo used to copy some of this scientific material out of. But we're gonna move on along. We don't necessarily want to kind of lean on the Europeans that much. Okay, now we said that Leonardo used pig skins before. We said he used pig skins. These are pig skins or some small animal skins that they were re-sewn and glued. They put air in them and straw in them to give them a little more strength and a little more flotation, and we said that. So now what are we going to do? We found some. What do we found? We found some pig skins. Now, if you look up in the top right, these are hog skins that's wrapped around a frame, and you can see the frame at the top. And this is some kind of floating frame, and they put all these hog skins. Now this is the same thing upside down, and this is the same thing right side up. It's a pigskin raft, and this is pretty common to the Orient. And when we say the Orient, Japan, Korea, and even on down, the Philippines and down down that way, because we're used to something we call a log raft. Huckleberry Finn, they chop this log down and they're sitting on the log, but a log is pretty heavy, and you know that, and I know that, and this, that, and the other. But the Chinese, they came up with these air mattresses, the early air mattress, pig skins, and they blow them up, inflate them, and then when they get where they're going, deflate them, and it's a lot easier to carry than move around in some heavy log. But we're not saying one is better than the other one, because in a lot of cases, whatever you got, it's whatever you got, and you have to use whatever you got to do what you can do. And we understand that. We understand that. Now another thing. Okay, so let's move along a little bit.